Hello guys, so it is FOMC today. It's currently the 21st of September and we are going to trade the FOMC. I've done this sort of video before on my, my channel. I've done NFP trading and I've done loads of live trading videos and you guys seem to absolutely love them. So there is going to be more of that today. So in the account, we have £232 in the account. If I show you here, live account, if you guys can see that, so what we're going to do is we're going to trade this £232. It's just an account I had left over from, it might have been one of the previous account flips actually that I was doing, but yeah, I have this account on my MT4 logged in, on my trading phone. I also have a personal phone, but I found having your trading phone separate, obviously if you can afford to do so, it's actually benefited my trading a lot, because I know that I only have my MT4 logged in on my trading phone. So if I'm out or I'm doing stuff that I'm not in that sort of like business mode, then I'm not actually focused on trading. I'm not going to enter trades if I don't have my actual trading phone with me. So the account is logged in on here and we're going to enter the trades on there. FOMC is happening shortly in around 15 minutes. So obviously we're going to look to get in some trades. I've been eyeing up some EU buys, EU. Most of the time when you get these interest rate decisions or FOMC, NFP, CPI, you get a fake out. So I'm anticipating EU to fake out to the downside and then make a push to the upside. Same with gold, we're looking for a push to the upside and then a drop. Obviously, sometimes these areas can miss and you might only get in one of the trades, or if you're in one position, obviously I'm risking pretty much all the account on this trade, so I'm not going to be able to get into both, both pairs at the same time, because that would just be stupid and we'd just blow the account very, very quickly if we were wrong, for any sort of period of time. So I'm going to screen record on my phone, going to record my setup up here. I have the MT4 and the trading view open so you guys can see that live as it's happening. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when we're actually doing the account flip. And the aim is to make probably 150, 200 pounds. If we can actually double the account, that would be absolutely perfect. And then I will, withdraw it afterwards, because there's no point keeping it in the account. Might as well take it out. Let's say we make 200 pounds, then, we've got like 200 bags of M&Ms, 150 bags of M&Ms, profit made, if you can look at it like that. So I'll catch you guys when it is time for FOMC. Okay guys, so we are around 2 minutes away now from the interest rate decisions. As you guys can see, this is actually the trading phone I have, and I have the personal one. It's just to keep the account separate, so I know that if I'm on this phone, I'm trading. So as you see, I've added EU as well, because sometimes on these sort of events, the gold spread actually goes crazy and you can't really get into positions with decent spread. So if anything happens on EU, we can also trade that, because obviously we have lower spreads than any other pair on EU. As you see, we've currently got pretty much zero spread. If you actually look on my phone too, we've got 0.3 pip spread on EU, which is obviously very, very tight. So we have 2 minutes to go until this event. So it will be very, very interesting. We're obviously going to full risk on the account, because there would be no fun if I didn't full risk on the account. I'm just going to try and make any profit we can. If we make £20, £30, £40, £50, it's £50 we didn't have before. So we're going to try and make any profit we can. And as you guys see, we are around 45 seconds away. Usually there's, a fake move. So what we can see is EU make a fake move to the upside and then drop down, like that sort of thing. Usually on news events. So if that happens, then we can also get a nice entry on that. I do actually have the news up there as well, so I can see that happen. So 25 seconds left. As you guys see, 20 seconds. What is going to happen? 15 seconds. Let's see what happens. As you see, the spread is now widening on both of these pairs. That's actually quite crazy spread. So here we go. EU's already dropped, gold's already dropped. There we go. Okay, so what is the result? Okay guys, so as you see what happened, EU obviously made this nice drop. Gold made that nice drop down. So we're going to look to get into the trades. Hopefully, we might be able to get some nice trades. So what we can do now is we can get into some buys on EU, and obviously this is incredibly risky. I don't advise you guys do this at all, but we're in the buys. There we go. If it drops even further, we could stack into, but we're only going to be targeting, let's say this previous area here. We can get to more positions. This is obviously very, very risky, and I don't advise you guys do this at all. Use 1% risk, use risk management. Do not risk like this, because this is actually stupid. But you can see the price is now pulling up. If we get a nice push up to this level, then we can make very, very decent profit. A few £100 on the £200 account, and yeah, as you see, we're up 100, 115, 120, 90. Obviously gonna get these little pullbacks. All this volatility is absolutely lovely for scalpers and people that like trading the news. But if you're a normal trader and you're in a trade and you don't realize there's news, then you can get absolutely destroyed from these sort of news events. But we started the account on 232, and as you see, we're running in some nice profits. Let's say we're up £80 right now, £100, £120. That's like 33 meal deals. You can have a meal deal for a whole month now for free from this. Very, very nice. Or like 120 bags of M&Ms. Actually, no, less now because they've gone up in price to £1.50. But still, we'll see if we can get this continuation up. But like I said, I did say it was going to drop, and that is what happened. So yeah, let's see if we can continue now to the upside. That would be very, very nice. Let's say we can double the account. Be very, very nice. Even like 200, yeah, let's say £200, that'd be nice. But we could just continue to the downside, and we could just blow the account pretty much. That is just how trading goes. And as you see, gold is absolutely melting to the downside. You see this level I have marked, we're looking to sell from that area, and we didn't get that area to sell from, which is very annoying. We came only around 12 pips away, which is very frustrating, but we didn't FOMO in. And obviously if we did FOMO in, we would have caught a nice drop. But this is when you got to kind of stop yourself from entering when you shouldn't have entered. Obviously I'm saying that whilst in a full margin EU trade, but in this video, do not take any of my advice. Let's just say that none of this trading here is financial advice. Now we're just waiting for EU so we can see what happens. As you see, gold is absolutely plummeting. From this move now, this gold dropped, this one candle, we dropped around 150 pips plus, which is just absolutely crazy. Here we go, here's the push which we were actually looking for. Obviously we were up this amount at the start, but then we had that nice rejection. Hopefully we can actually see this push up now. And like I said, 150, £200 we'll be happy with, and then we can pretty much be done for FOMC. Obviously at 7:30 we do have the FOMC press conference, but if we've actually made profit on the interest rate decision, then there's no point in holding trades for longer. Obviously if you're a swing trader, you're holding it like technically, then that's fine, but it's not really something I'm really interested in. On my personal account, I've only taken one trade in September, and that's just how I trade. So if we actually set our TP on this, so we set that, let's just say around there, have that one there, that one there, that is our TP, so we can see if we can hit that sort of level. This is the dangerous thing to do, guys, the 1 minute time frame. It's not even working on the 1 minute time frame. It's probably doing us a favor, save a few years on our life. Not really sure why it's frozen. Okay, not sure what's happening. We could be rich, we could be poor right now, but we don't know. Is it gonna work? Is it not gonna work? Okay, here we go, we're back in business, boys. We're up £93, £100. Let's see what we can do, see what we can make. Come on, EU, give us the push we need to that take profit. I'm tired, I need to go get my dinner. Look at gold absolutely pumping. Absolutely pumping on gold. Come on, EU. Got the sparkling water.
Because sparkling water is for rich people.
Come on, here we go. Oh, it was close then. It was close. It's getting there. 115, 126. Gold absolutely pumping. You know, like I said, there's often that fake out to the downside, then that push to the upside. That is often what happens. Obviously, we could have got a nice short if we came back to the area here, as I mentioned, but it's very, very annoying. But that's part of trading, and as you see, we came into this previous low. Very, very nice. Come on, EU though. EU, is it going to come up? Is it going to hit the TP? You know, we're very, very close. If we make this a bit bigger, you can see that nice push. We need like this sort of level to actually get hit. So let's see what we can do. Come on, EU. Come on. You don't want to do this to me. You really don't. You know, I'll just be in and out of the trade. Happy days. And then we can go about our business. But what are you doing? So the good thing about these accounts, guys, is, you know, you have your fun. You know, I mainly trade, you know, prop firm accounts and my main, you know, larger account. And I'm risking obviously 1% or 0.5 to 1% on these accounts. And trading an account like this, it kind of, you have your little bit of fun. You know, I'm only risking £200. Does it really matter if I lose it? No. £200, my lifestyle won't change in any way. You know, I'm risking 4 to 5 grand per trade, you know, on my accounts, when I'm risking, you know, 0.5 to 1%. So this is kind of, you know, just the commission for entering one of those trades is like $200-300, depending on the firm. So, you know, it's just a bit of fun. £200, not really the end of the world if I lose it, not really the end of the world if I double it. It would be obviously great if I double it, but I just do these for a bit of fun, so I can just still trade them. You know, more time in the markets, you learn more, obviously, and get experiences, and not have the risk of losing tens of thousands rather than £200. And you know, I still make money at the end of the day, or obviously lose money, but hopefully we make money at the end of the day on this too. So we're getting a nice push now. Come on, EU, just fly to that take profit, and then we will be done. Here we go, guys. Rallying to the TP now. Come on, EU. Come on, EU. This is where we need that nice little final push to the upside. Not many pips left. As you see, we're making that little push. Hopefully we get that nice little push to this area now. And then I'll be done with you, EU. I'll be done. I'll go make my chicken. And then you can go wherever you want. You could go 100 pips higher. I don't really care. Just give me my TP. But EU's playing games. Let's make EU full screen. There we go. So we can see it smash the TP in a nice HD, bigger screen. Here we go. Come on, nice push to the upside is needed here. The last final push for EU. Are we going to get it? I hope so. Here we go. The final push. If it hits 200, I'll just close out. If not, let's hit the TP. We're going closer. Oh, little pullback. It's teasing. Here we go. And we're about to hit the TP. Oh. Close again. Here we go, boys. 200, TP hit. Last one, TP hit. Boom. We just made a nice £220 on that EU trade. You guys saw it start to finish. Been recording for about 23 minutes, 24 minutes or so, as you guys have seen. So, actually no longer. But if you guys did enjoy, as you guys can see though, the same account, 451, and as you guys can see, if it actually, there we go, live account, the same account. And as you see, EU is absolutely pumping past that level. But like I said, I made the profit I wanted. I'm now out of the markets. And yeah, we've taken the profit. What I'm going to do now is I'm just going to withdraw that money from the account. And I'll pop a screenshot up here of the money actually coming into my bank. You know, I'm going to withdraw the full 450 because I don't really want to trade it. FOMC perfectly traded on EU. Do not trade like this because you will probably lose your money, and it's just money that I can afford to lose and money I don't really care about, to be honest. So yeah, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Okay guys, so ignore the hair. I had the hat on, but I just wanted to show you guys what's happened. Like I said, you get the fake out to the downside as you see here, then a push to the upside. I just wanted to go about my business and take the profits, but as you see, it absolutely rallied to the upside. We were perfectly correct on the direction. We made profit. Trade absolutely worked out perfectly. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make the withdrawal and then just pretty much enjoy my £220 profit. And I'll catch you guys hopefully with another one soon. As you see, this was the target and it just rallied past that, like I said it would. But yeah, catch you guys next time.